Let us calculate current ratio and quick ratio. Given the following data, calculate current ratio and quick ratio. Quick ratio is also called as liquid ratio or acid test ratio. See, he has given few transactions in this. Now we need to identify what are current assets and what are current liabilities. First, let's find current ratio. Current ratio is equal to current assets by current liabilities. What are current assets? Capital is not a current assets. Reserve fund, it is not a current assets. Bank overdraft is current liability. Provision for taxation is current liability. Plant and machinery is fixed asset. Motor vehicle is fixed asset. Sundry debtors, current assets. Cash at bank, current assets. Debentures, long-term liabilities. Creditors, current liability. Rent outstanding, current liability. Land and building, fixed assets. Furniture and fixtures, fixed asset. Stock, current assets. Short-term investment, current assets. Cash in hand, current assets. Now let's take all the current assets value here. The first is sundry debtors, 90,000, plus cash at bank, 30,000, plus stock, 60,000, plus short-term investment, 75,000, plus cash in hand, 25,000. Now take all current liabilities. Bank overdraft, it is a current liability, so write in the denominator here 60,000, plus provision for taxation, current liabilities 78,000, plus creditors, current liability 36,000, plus that's it, all rent outstanding 6,000. Now divide this, we will be getting 1.55:1, and the standard ratio for the current ratio is 2:1, means for every 2 rupees of current assets there should be 1 rupee of current liability. Now let's find out the second ratio, that is quick ratio. Quick ratio is also called as liquid ratio or acid test ratio, and the formula is quick assets by current liabilities. What are quick assets? All current assets are quick assets except stock. Except stock, all current assets are quick assets. Stock and prepaid expenses should not be included in the quick assets. So let's take all the quick assets value here. Sundry debtors. What is the sundry debtors amount? 90,000, plus cash at bank 30,000, plus short-term investment 75,000, plus cash in hand 25,000 by current liabilities. What are current liabilities? Bank overdraft 60,000, plus provision for taxation 78,000, plus creditors 36,000, plus rent outstanding 6,000. Okay, and the value is 1.22:1.